Then it will take to this interface and you will find out the option update mobile number KYC. Click here and it will redirect you to this interface. Type here your consumer number. Then next you will get this interface, and if your mobile number is correct here, then no need to correct or edit the mobile number. And if you have no mobile number in this space, then enter a proper mobile number which you have, and then enter email ID if you have, and then occupation select others, or if you are a government employee then select this option, and semi-government employee and PSU employee, which one is you, select the proper option. And if you are not under any three of these option, then select the others option, then enter the other number here, and if you have no other number then no need to enter. And next submit the page and you will get an OTP to the given mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on the verify option, and you will successfully update the data, and your updation process will be finished. Thank you.